We couldn't resist an invitation to the annual Garden Press event, showcasing new plants and products coming onto the market this year, like these 3 new cultivars from Guernsey Clematis: Eliza, Ithemba and the Queen's Nurse, with pretty striped blooms on young wood and solid cerise later in the summer. The new CEO of the National Garden Scheme, Dr Richard Claxton, explained to us that the Queen's Nurse Clematis was going to be a part of the NGS centenary celebrations next year. Next, it was on to a fascinating new tomato introduction. Tomato Meltaway is virtually skinless, seedless, and tastes more like a sweet, whilst Melon Honey Drops Dara can be eaten like an apple. There was a huge new Petunia called Allegra collection, and the Far Plants group of nurseries had some smashing new introductions. My favourite here was a miniature Euphorbia called Ascot Petite. Besides the new plant introductions, there were many new composts and mulches as well, based on straw and wood fibre. Although they looked quite light, apparently they bind to the soil surface so don't blow away. We loved talking to a young farmer from Oxfordshire who has a company based on farm byproducts such as the belly wool from sheep. These Wooltiser pellets retain water and provide natural, slow-release fertiliser. And another range of products getting the thumbs up was the very pretty new Woodland Wonders patent collection from Burgon Ball. Our final hit was the ingenious self-watering jar from Mr Fothergill's, and the oh-so-simple self-watering growing kit was eventually voted the best new product at the whole event. We had a fabulous day, so huge thanks to the Garden Industries Manufacturers Association and the Horticultural Trades Association for putting on the event, and the Garden Media Guild for ensuring we were invited. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our channel and follow our blog at the3growbags.com.